other passengers, we would like to inform you that we are now approaching at the port of Airport in Cebu. We would like to remind everyone to please double-check all your personal luggage and belongings that you might need.
Oh, ang lakas ng ilaw!
Make sure that everything is complete and accounted for.
Ang lakas ng ilaw!
Before departing from the vessel.
Blurred
If you
tuloy.
require any assistance,
Blurred tuloy, ang lakas kasi ng ilaw.
to approach any of our vessel crew assigned your respective accommodations who are more than happy to
Blurred
assist.
tuloy.
We wish you a safe onward journey to your final destinations, and we are glad to be of service to you. Thank you very much for choosing to go travel, and we look forward to seeing you again on your future journeys.
Matignan mo yan doon.
Lumusot na isa.
Pilipino mo. Ayan na,
Mga
dadawin
nagabi
na.
po sa aming mga minamahal na pasahero, nais po namin paalam na tayo po ay nalalapit na sa daungan ng Pier 4 sa Cebu. Pinapalalahanan namin ang lahat ng kung maaari ay pakisuring mabuti o i-double check ang inyong mga daladalahin o bagahe. Atin lamang pong siguraduhin na walang anumang bagay na inyong makakalimutan o may iwanan sa inyong pagbaba ng barko. Sa mga nagnanais ng anumang tulong, kung magtubig na lumapit sa aming mga crew o tripulante na talaga sa inyong mga kombinasyon na handang maglingkod sa inyo. Hangad namin ang maayos at ligtas ang paglalakbay patungo sa inyong destinasyon
Doon sa gitna.
at ginagawa
Para hindi
ng mga
makasilaw.
kapatid ko rin kayo.
Dito lang.
Maraming salamat mo sa pagtangkilik sa Tugon Travel at umaasa kami sa ating muling pagkikita. Maraming salamat po.
Dito tayo banda.
Ayan na! Bridge! Cordova Bridge! Life could be dream, life could be dream. Durut. Life could be dream. Kapag nabigat at the allies saratan. Bridge! Bridge! Tabang! Tabang!
In a very short while, we will be arriving
Tabang!
at the port of Airport.
Tabang oh!
Before disembarking, safety requires your
Buti di abot!
guidelines to ensure smooth all your issues and coordination and avoid any untoward incident that may occur. We are requesting your cooperation to parents with infants and children, senior citizens, and persons with disabilities. For effort to more assistance, please do not hesitate to approach us for staff who are more than happy to assist you. We are glad to be of service to you and we look forward to seeing you again on your next journey. Thank you for choosing to go travel, a part of your travel experience.
Pa, picture mo ko pa. Okay na? Okay na? Okay na? Ha?
Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga panaon.
Okay na?
Kailang sandali po lamang tayo
Okay na?
sa daon na sa Pier 4 sa Cebu.
Pier 4!
Aming hinihingi ng pansin sa mga sumunod